What if the next farm humanity builds isn't on Earth, but on Mars? A world where no trees exist, no water flows, and life seems impossible. But hidden beneath this lifeless surface lies a shocking possibility. Could plants actually grow here? To understand this mystery, we must first understand Mars itself. Mars is cold, dry, and bombarded by radiation. Temperatures can drop to -80 degrees Celsius. And the atmosphere, almost non-existent compared to Earth. Yet scientists on Earth are already testing the impossible. In labs, they recreate Martian soil and try to grow life. And the results? Surprisingly, some plants survive. Species like potatoes and algae show incredible resilience. This reveals a hidden truth. Mars may not be completely lifeless. But growing plants on Mars isn't simple. The soil contains toxic chemicals called perchlorates. Water is frozen, locked beneath the surface. And sunlight is weaker than on Earth. So how can humans solve this? By building sealed greenhouses, protecting plants from the harsh environment. Inside these domes, Mars could slowly turn green. But how does this compare to farming on Earth? On Earth, soil is rich with nutrients and life. But on Mars, the soil is dead and hostile. Earth protects life with a thick atmosphere, while Mars leaves everything exposed. Even gravity plays a role in plant growth. Mars has only 38% of Earth's gravity.
This could change how plants develop roots and stems.
Now imagine humans building farms here. Rows of crops growing under artificial sunlight. Oxygen being produced one leaf at a time. Food grown millions of kilometers away from Earth. But survival here would depend on perfect systems. Water recycling, air control, and soil treatment. Every failure could mean the end of life. So scientists study every small detail carefully. They test how plants react to extreme conditions and how to genetically improve survival chances. This is not science fiction anymore. It's real science. And the future of farming may begin on another planet. But the biggest question remains, can humans truly live on Mars? Life would depend entirely on controlled ecosystems. Plants would not just be food, but survival itself. They would produce oxygen, recycle water, and sustain life. Without plants, Mars colonies would fail. But with plants, Mars could slowly transform. Could Mars ever become like Earth? Scientists call this idea terraforming. A process that could take hundreds, even thousands of years. But it all begins with a single plant. A fragile life in a hostile world. This tiny organism could change the future of humanity and turn a dead planet into a living one. But challenges remain extreme and unforgiving. Radiation, cold, and isolation will test human limits. Yet humanity has always pushed beyond the impossible. from Earth to the Moon, and now Mars. So can plants grow on Mars? The answer is yes, but only with human innovation. And one day, the first forest on Mars may not be a dream, but reality.